We'll look at a historic capital surge in Nigeria's fixed income ecosystem, crucial capital investment, shifting dynamics in local agriculture, and a massive mega merger in the international technology space. We begin right here at home, where investor confidence in Nigerian sovereign debt instruments has shattered records, drawing intense global eyes to domestic financial markets. Official data from the first half of 2026 reveals that investor demand for federal government of Nigerian bonds has skyrocketed to an unprecedented 9 trillion naira. To put this monumental figure into perspective, this single first half subscription volume has more than doubled the entire level recorded across the whole 2025. This massive capital allocation signals immense institutional liquidity and a robust aggressive appetite from both local and foreign investors looking to lock in high-yield government fixed income papers, bucking broader global macroeconomy volatility. Moving to the capital market, to the tech ecosystem, this influx of investor confidence is mirroring a parallel drive towards domestic infrastructure development. Nigeria's strategic push to position itself as Africa's primary digital hub has received a substantial international boost. The federal government has officially secured a $12 million grant support package from South Korea. This vital capital injection is strictly designated for establishment of equipping of a state art-scale acquisition center right here in Nigeria. The facility will focus heavily on specialized technical training, engineering, and digital vocational development, creating a highly competitive pipeline of skilled youth ready to export digital talent and innovate within the emerging global tech economy. But while the outlook for the technology and finance remains highly promising, the country's critical primary sectors are facing a completely different set of challenges. A shadow looms over the agricultural sector, threatening our non-oil export potential. Local sesame exporters are raising urgent red flags regarding the 2026 cash crop cycle. Despite initial high hopes for a bomber harvest, exporters fear that persistent regional insecurity challenges, combined with sudden unpredictable flood risks, could completely derail the projected 2026 bloom. Sesame remains one of Nigeria's premier agricultural export earners, feeding global supply chains across Europe and Asia. Stakeholders are making an urgent call to the federal government to implement proactive flood mitigation and enhance security corridors to prevent severe export bottlenecks. While domestic producers work to protect their supply chains from environmental disruption, the international landscape is witnessing a massive consolidation of corporate networks. Shifting our focus to international stage, a groundbreaking alliance in global telecommunications is reshaping enterprise technology. British telecom heavyweight BT Group and American giant Verizon have officially agreed to form a joint international valued at approximately $625 million. This strategic 50-50 partnership is built to design, deploy, and scale next-generation AI-ready digital infrastructure worldwide. The new entity will absorb the international corporate arms of both firms, managing an elite portfolio of over 3,000 corporate clients across 180 countries. Industry analysts project that the combined venture will generate a staggering $4 billion in annual revenue right out of the gate, marking a major consolidation in how global businesses connect.